Good morning, everyone. Formal teaching of soft skills should be just optional. Life is called a journey for a reason. It's one learning through living it and not by being dictated to. Soft skills are attributes of every person which are required for effective interaction and communication. We develop them based on what we are and they are needed to complement hard skills. Soft skills are just not the formal or technical knowledge, while they are the skills, abilities, and traits that pertain to personality, attitude, and behavior. Soft skills are important so as to handle interpersonal relationship, to take appropriate decisions for effective communication, and to have good impression and impact to gain personal and professional development. Most valued soft skills are time management, team spirit, ambition, focus, and empathy. What are hard skills? Hard skills are the skills that relate to formal or technical knowledge. They are quantifiable and can be evaluated, while the soft skills are difficult to be evaluated. A practitioner should have strong communication skills and should be a good listener. He should be empathetic, that is, he should have ability of a person to see things from others' perspective and should have equally strong imagination to visualize himself in others' position. The practitioners and the supporting staff should be able to work in a cross-functional team to ensure superior patient experience. A great quote by William Osler: "A good physician treats a disease, while a great physician treats a patient who has a disease." This quote is quite right for doctors, but still I would like to keep formal teaching of soft skills as optional, because certain aspects of soft skills like time management, teamwork, communication skills can be taught, while others like empathy, leadership qualities are inbuilt and are hard to taught. These are the skills which are supposed to be imbibed in children in schools. Thus, I feel keeping formal teaching is optional is beneficial to those who have already learned these skills during schools and can now invest their time in other positive aspects of their fields. The upcoming generations have an advanced upbringing due to improved facilities, numerous academic and extracurricular opportunities, and improved standard of living, which ensure presence of soft skills in them, which precludes any such deficit. Time management during post-graduation is already a task, and imposing another compulsory class on them would overburden them and create more stress. All the postgraduates don't aim to run OPD. Some may join institutes with more physical work or research work, and for them it would prove useless. Communication is one's own talent. You can't teach them to communicate in a particular way, plus a person has to behave in a uniform manner throughout the world might not be a good idea. In the end, life is a journey to be experienced and not a problem to be solved.